Hi everybody, I'm Juan Sebastian Gonzalez. I am studying systems engineering. Now I am at 7th semester and I will talk about my final product on virtual English course. So the first thing that we're going to talk is who is able to perform activities in systems engineering. I think that someone that wants to work in a technology area should have these three main skills. The first one is that you must be someone critical because you should know what are you doing okay, what are you doing wrong, and what you should improve. And a creative spirit because you will be in an environment talking about of technology where you must think different than your partners. The second one, professional, open to talk with people because it will be very often that you should have the ability to communicate your ideas to your boss, to your partners, to your clients. It's important to know that you should have soft skills. And the third one, talking about knowledge in technology, is something like your hobbies in the informatic area. It could be programming languages, information systems, software engineering, and software architecture. The second main topic is what you can do working on systems engineering. So here it's important to know that you will always work in innovator projects. You can focus on software development and design and implementation of systems, where you can choose different subjects like systems information, graphic computing, network computing, and artificial intelligence. Maybe you're asking yourself, okay, I have studied systems engineering, but where can I work? I'm sure that if you have the abilities in technology areas, you could work anywhere. You could work from any country of the world. First of all, because now all the world have needs in technology, and obviously, if you handle the language of the respective zone where you want to live, you could do it. Finally, it's important to say that now systems engineering is a career with a high demand around the world. So it takes us to the next question. Why to study systems engineering? The main issue at the moment is that the quantity of professionals working in technology area can supply the job demand. So I think that it will be easy to find a good job in a big enterprise, in a big company, or in a big organization, in Colombia or outside the country. On the other hand, talking about the salary, according to Indeed and Glassdoor, the national median salary for systems engineering is $92,000. So, knowing this, if you have the abilities and the skills to develop an application and software, and if you do mind the language, you should have a second motive to study systems engineering in Colombia or in another country. And the final question, how to do it? It's an important question because very often people think that it is very quickly, that in a week, in a month, in a year, you should have the abilities to work in a systems engineering area. You could do it, but if you want to be a very successful leader of a group, of a company in Colombia or in another place, in another country, you have to do it starting and practicing every day, every moment, because technology is one of the areas that every day is changing. And in the image, we can see some areas where people could work. But for me, the four that are on the top are the most important. The first one, risk management, because if something goes wrong across the project, you have to do something to improve that. The requirements, because you have to know what the client want and what is the client budget. The human factors, because you have to be someone that speak with people, that have soft skills, and software if you want to program and develop applications. So I think that it's all, and I hope that you like the video. Bye.